Hello friends, welcome back to famous, creative, well-known, popular, unique educational channel to watch more creative videos on Laravel. I had done 3 years back a video on Laravel that was the time I was doing videos on PHP, so I decided why not do some videos on Laravel. But I had done only installation of the Laravel. Recently I have done two videos on Laravel, that is Hello World using Laravel and login and registration form using Laravel. So since I am becoming familiar with this framework, I decided why not do video on CRUD operation using Laravel. So I will show you whatever changes I have made here in resources. In resources, I have done changes in views directory. We can see here products is the folder I have done in this views directory. Then I have done changes in app http controller. Here I have done changes and migration of database for creating the tables. I have done there cd database, here migration for creating the table, this product table. Video is on CRUD operation on the product only. Then env file for creating the database. Now I will execute the program. Yes, Laravel framework started successfully. Now create new product, Python software Linux. Inbuilt. Yes, now I will add JDK open source Yes, it has been added. Now I will edit instead of Python. Yes, we can see here Python software inbuilt. Backward is also there. I want to edit instead of Python. I will go with Node. Sorry. Node.js. Web development. Yes, edit has been, now I will delete. Yes, I successfully done with CRUD operation using Laravel with PHP framework. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on JavaScript, Laravel, React.js, Node.js and Vue.js. So for latest update about JavaScript, keep watching my channel on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.